going to show you how I build this and run through some tricks to hopefully make it easy mode. Once you get everything unpacked, I like to lay everything out like this. Make sure the front is facing you. You need number 3, 13 mil. You'll have these screws and 4 of these little flange bolts. Screws are all the same. Take the crank side first, and I just get these in real loose. Want to be able to articulate it back and forth like that. Then put the crank in probably about 3 o'clock and crack that loose. And this crossbar, see it's hexagonal. One of these on both sides, I just stick it on the opposite side. Slide it in, try to get it lined up, and then this very softly push and just wiggle this and it'll slide right on. And then you can put these 4 in, also loose, so you can move it around and get stuff lined up. Now's a good time to check it before you get everything bolted down to make sure it's actually connected. I'll take this U channel, since it's all loose, just set it on top real easy and make sure nothing else is in there. These all look lined up and you like playing with fire, you can run them down, but you should probably leave them loose until you get everything started. I think this one's going to be just fine. Alright, once those are all in, these are all still loose. Take your crossbar, 13 mil. You can put it either in the middle or on this back end. I always do them in the middle. Once you get all those started, you gotta lock them down. And then you can go and hit all 8 of these leg screws. Crack these wheels a little loose. Sometimes they just turn like this. Get your casters. If you're hourly, you can put these on and off by hand. I'm not hourly. If you have one without drawers, you're done. This one has drawers, so I am not done. Once you get that front bar on, you can put these side screws in a little loose. Last 4 screws, this goes on the back with the curled facing inward. That's why we left those loose. Now you can go tighten all these side screws down. I find it way easier to get the drawers in while it's upside down. You can see everything nice and clear. Just kind of easily get them in, get them on the bearings, and good. See if it starts giving you problems, you can kind of see which way you need to wiggle. Alright, you can get it off the table. Just make sure I got room here to support it. Tip, switch hands. lower it down on the ground. Done.